Hi, my name is Eric Lippert. I'm an architect on the C# analysis team at Coverity. There are a lot of different checkers, we call them, that look for defects in C# code. My favorite is actually not one of the higher volume checkers. It doesn't find a lot of defects, but when it finds a defect, it is almost always one that is a real defect and would be very difficult to find in your own code. It's called copy-paste error. And the idea of this checker is it looks for a situation where you've taken a piece of code that's correct, you've copied it somewhere else, and then you've made a bunch of edits to that code and you forgot to make a change. Right? So one way that we see this all the time is people write code that says, oh, I'm going to bound my mouse pointer to inside this box. So I'm going to say, well, if the position is smaller than the left-hand side of the box or it's greater than the right-hand side of the box, then put it in the middle. Right? And then they'll say, and I'm going to do the same thing to the top. If it's smaller than the right-hand side of the box or it's greater than the top, then, well, wait a minute, they should have turned that right to bottom. Right? And it's very difficult to just look at a piece of code and see that, particularly if it's full of X's and Y's instead of lefts and rights and bottoms and tops. But the analyzer finds this one quite easily.